Bravo Financial got the flow. AI solutions let your business grow. We'll take you where you need to go. Success is the path we always show. Bravo, bravo, making dreams take flight. Digital magic working day and night. AI precision shining oh so bright. That Bravo will get your future right. Breaking barriers, see your profits rise. Our AI tools open up the skies. No limits here with the enterprise. Your business winning, it's no surprise. Bravo, bravo, making dreams take flight. Digital magic working day and night. AI precision shining oh so bright. Yeah, Bravo will get your future right. Bravo.
Hi, Mark Bravo here. So I created that. I'm trying to see if that video works and everything. I just created that in AI for our Zoom room. Anyways, I wanted to do a live today. I wanted to show you guys what you could do with AI. So I created this app I've been working on for a few months. AI wasn't ready. It's gotten as close as it has been since I've been messing with AI the last couple of years. Now it will complete this app hopefully in the next couple of days, but I just want to show you what I just built. Let me go to desktop. Okay, so now we're in my desktop. So this app, a lot of people may not be familiar with it because normally their attorney or CPA does a lot of their compliance work, right? So I have a software I bought many years ago I used to set up corporations. I used to do all the resolutions and things of that nature. But that software is no longer supported by that company. So I was able to get a lot of information in from that software and put it into a AI, and it's building this with me. So let me show you what it could do. So as you can see right here, it has 3 companies that are on this software. This company can do unlimited softwares. I mean unlimited companies. This software can do unlimited companies. So I can put all their documents and things of this nature in here if they want me to do it. But my goal is to sell this to each company so they take full control of their resolutions. I get people all the time saying, hey, I owe $800 for my franchise tax fee, right? And then their franchise tax fee, nobody told them to pay it. Their accountant slipped. I'm not saying they're all bad, but people slip. So guess what? What I created, you'll get a reminder notice, upcoming reminders. See where it says statement of information due in 15 days in red? That's something, if you have a corporation, that's due every year for $25. And if you don't pay it on time, then they're going to fine you like almost $200. So that's $200 you can waste if you don't pay that $25 on time. Here's a franchise tax fee due in 45 days. That goes red, I think, when it's 15 days. And then, so any kind of reminder of your corporation to keep you in compliance will come right here. And I'm trying to get it where it can set it up where it reminds you on your phone. So you got companies up here, and then you got corporate documents. So let's go to corporate documents. So I'm putting them all in here right now. There's probably a couple hundred. So you want profit sharing, I can create a document. I just drop down the company, I'll put my company, and then here's where the forms will be, right? Performance, bonus agreement. So I can create a form on the fly. You print that, you put that in your corporate book. What else is on here? Corporate minutes. So all your meetings that you got to do all year, you got to do a couple of things, right? Your annual shareholders meeting, your board meeting, all that's here, you guys. So you can create them. All your resolutions will be here. You'll never get your corporation pierced. What pierce means, if you don't run it right, and if you run it like a hobby, or you run it like a sole proprietor, and you ever get audited by the IRS, they can pierce that corporation and show you never had one. So therefore, you'll be a sole proprietor and they'll tax you differently. Or if you do something, I don't know, kind of illegal, and somebody's suing you, they want to pierce the corporation, they want to prove that you actually don't have a corporation, which protects you from your assets, right? Well, if they can prove that, guess what? Now they can get to you and sue you directly. So this piece of software will be very important for all business owners. Like I said, a lot of you owners are LLCs. You don't have to do a lot of paperwork, but once you turn it into an S Corp or a C Corp, then it's got to do all this paperwork. So this software will be very valuable. Then compliance reminders, that's the reminders I showed you about. Statement information, franchise tax date, anything that you want, you can give it, it'll give you a reminder when you open the software. How about this? I added some business credit stuff in there. So it has your scores right here. So you know the main ones are Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. And you should have at least a Paydex, a score of 80 in all three. And it gives you your scores. You can view credit report. There's none here, so this is not clickable yet. I got to hook this up in the back end. So this is just a demo, but eventually we'll be hooked up hopefully in the next week or so. I'm going to put business cards. So you can just come in your software and you can click a business card, business or personal. Now, obviously, I got to submit this app to the banks to see if they'll approve that. And then you can be able to get loans through here. You know, so you can, I'll probably have an app where you can put in your bank information so we can get you loans. What else do we have on business credit? It tells you right here what you have, right? These are, it says completion of progress. So you can obtain a identification, EIN number, open a bank account. Now it's kind of crazy. When I opened a corporation back in the early 2000s, they ask you for your resolutions. I don't see that as much no more, but you got to have them just in case. Set up your email address, your business, establish 30-day accounts, monitor D&B, monitor business credit, Experian and Equifax. So I added a lot of this business credit in there, so all your compliance and your business credit can be in one spot. You don't build your business credit here. You'll just add the information here. So this is what you can do with AI, you guys. I'm not a coder. This needed somebody to code it in the back end. AI does all that. So I don't know what this would cost. I mean, I'm guessing in our AI certification groups, there's coders in there. So I could probably ask what this specific thing, what he would have charged to have done this back in the day. It did take an hour. I mean, you got to be patient. You got to be patient. AI. I worked 3 AIs just to get this. But if this is finished, when it's finished, I can sell it. Probably, I'm thinking of selling it at $49 a month to companies, or I'll sell it to CPAs for, I think when I come up, I wrote it down here, $197 a month, because they can do unlimited. And so you can buy like the pro level or the CPA level. Pro level give you up to 5 companies, because most people have more than 1 company. So you can do 5 companies with this, and that's at $49 a month. Or I'll probably have an annual payout, right? Cheaper. Same thing with CPAs. Or if you just want to buy it for $100,000, I'll sell the app for $100,000 to a bank or CPA firm or whatever. I'll try to do that also. But I'm going to finish this hopefully the next week or 2, and then this thing will be live for sale, or start selling to CPAs and tax experts, or anybody that doesn't want to put their hands in a CPA no more. You don't need a CPA other than to file your taxes. And technically you don't do that. You don't need to do that. In our membership, we actually show you how to do your taxes if you want to learn your business taxes. So anyways, that's it for this live.